All right, welcome. This is week 13. So, work solution here. We have Tuesday, October 29th. Okay. What we have here is that Todd has a job mowing for a landscaping company. And in addition to getting a $30 bonus for every single day he is called to work, he gets paid per hour. So, these are the number of hours he worked, and this is how much he earns. At 2 hours, right here, at 2 hours, he makes $470, 440, $47. Okay, but notice here, I would like you to see something. I'm gonna color code it in purple. Hopefully, you understand what it means. He gets a what? He gets a $30 bonus, right, for coming in. So before he even works his hours, he gets how much? He gets $30. I don't like how that looks like. I'm gonna type it out for you here. So he gets $30. Okay, before any work is done. All right, $30. Okay, so from here, there's something that happens here. Then it is what $47.30. So it seems like there's a big jump here from here to here. There seems like there's a difference of your delta y, there's two here. So there's a delta y that happens here. Then there is another delta y here. So how many delta y's are there? There are two delta y's. So there are two delta y's, and the two delta y's equals to what number? So from 30 to 47, that is what number? That is 17. Okay. But we only want one delta y, so we have to divide this by 2. So we have to divide this by 2. So delta y is equal to, we can show that. Okay, do I have decimals? Okay. All right, it says what? 170. $17. Divide this by 2. That is $8.50. So your delta y is really $8.50. So this value here, all right, should be, should be 30. Right here I can show you. It should be $30 because that's how much you start with. Add $8.50 because that was your delta y, which is $38.50. Your delta y was $8.50. So here we have $30.50. Okay, how much? Good. Then we add another delta y, which is $8.50. We get $47. Then we get $47 plus $8.50. That gets us $55.50. We could write that for you there. $55.50. Okay. Oops, that was bad. Let's see if we can cut. Nope. There we go. Good. And one more. $50.50 plus $8.50 becomes, nope, $5.50. Add $8.50 becomes $64. So this one is $64. Okay. All right. So how much does Todd earn per hour? So delta y, right, was from here to here was $8.50. Okay, so that is how much you earn per 1 hour. So let's take a look. This, your delta x right here, your delta x was 1 hour. Okay, and your delta y was $8.50. That is your dollars earned. Okay, that is $8.50. Okay, how much did he make per hour? We would say he made $8.50 per hour. Okay, write the equation. in this function in y equals mx plus b format. Okay, so to do that, we need, first of all, we need the m, which is your slope. Let's see if we could get the slope. We have delta y, we have delta x. So m is equal to delta y over delta x, which is equal to, what is delta y? 850. What is delta x? 1. So that is your slope. Let's grab our y-intercept. Our y-intercept is the one here because it has 0 for the x. So this is your y-intercept. So b is going to be equal to 30. So your equation should be y equals mx. So we can write it y equal, let's just make this black. Okay. Ooh, 850. How are we going to write that? 8. Okay. Then draw a line right there over 1. Okay. Then we put in x. Right. Then we're going to add $30. Right. Because that was your y-intercept. There you go. This would be your equation for Todd. What are the coordinates for the y-intercept? We already have it. We already talked about it. It was in purple right there. We know that the coordinate for the y-intercept, okay, look, they're looking for the coordinate. Okay, coordinate means a point. So what is the point here, right? The point was x comma y. But we know our x was 0 because it is the y-intercept, and y is the number 30 based on the scenario. Okay, so that would be your coordinate for the y-intercept. But most of the time we just use the letter b equals to whatever value the y is. Okay, Derek also mows lawn for the same landscaping company, and his pay can be represented by this equation. All right, compare Todd's pay to Derek's pay. Make sure you use the correct mathematical terminology. All right, so he gets paid $9 if he mows lawn, but let's see, he makes $9 per hour. But here the landscape Todd gets only paid $85. Ooh, so we would say that Derek gets paid more money per hour. Okay, Derek makes, how much does Derek? Oops, sorry. So Derek makes more money per hour. We know that. Okay. We know that Derek makes $9 per hour while Todd makes $8.50 per hour. Okay. But Todd gets in initial bonus, gets a higher initial bonus of $30. Okay, which is the y-intercept, where Derek only gets a bonus of $20. Okay, who would you rather have and why? So this is basically best. There's multiple ways of explaining this one, but the best way is to actually just graph it. Okay, so let me pull up Desmos for you here, and we have right here. So this is Todd. Todd is going to be the first one I graph, which was y equals to 8 over 50. Oh, it was 8 over 50 divided by 1. Oh, divide by 1 x plus how much? 30. Then the other one was Derek, which is y equals to 9x plus 20. So no tests right now. So red was Todd and green was Derek's, right? Todd, yep. So here, so far, right, um, Todd looks like he's making more money until here. Okay, it's hard to tell, but you're going to see that it breaks apart. Okay, and sooner or later, the blue line will beat it. So, Derek, so Derek makes $9 per hour, right? Even though he starts only off with $20, sooner or later Derek's going to make more money. So we would say Derek makes more money in the long term because he gets paid more per hour. Okay, but in the short term, Todd would win. Okay, because of his initial bonus. Okay, so there you go. Those are all your solutions for Tuesday, October 29th.